Hello scholars, this week we're going to create a landscape using the elements of art, space, texture, and value. First what we're going to do, we're going to write our names on the top of the paper. The paper is going to be vertical, either left side or right side. Then you're going to flip the paper over like this. And now what we're going to do is a fun, just a fun thing for the sky. We're going to create different varieties of circles using different primary and secondary colors. But before we do that step, we're going to draw a snowbank or a snow hill. And we're going to take our pencil and we're going to make a nice wavy line towards the bottom of the page. Now what we're going to do is create our circles. Now I'm going to use this circle stencil. You can just start creating circles with a crayon. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to start off with a medium-sized circle in the sky. And what I'm going to do is start off with the darkest color in the rainbow. And that's going to be purple. Now I keep going around the circle. It doesn't have to be even or perfect. And what I'm going to do now is, and this is going to be the fun part because it's not going to be even. It's not going to be perfect. I don't want it to be perfect. Go in, around. So let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Good. 3 times. This is 3 times that you went around into the circle. Now we're going to go to the next size. And this would be overlapping, that's fine. I want it to overlap. Here we go. Now the next size, so now we're doing the next color, which is green. So I would say about 3 or 4 times around. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to take my yellow. Yes, yellow next. And orange. And then I'm going to take a red color. And now I'm going to take a brown color. See that the colors are going from biggest to smallest. And now I'm going to take a black. Now if you don't have black, you could just start using the purple again for your colors. It's fine. And this is it. So now what we're going to do is you could fix it, and I'm going to fix it just a little bit. Because I want to make them a little bit, you can make them as light or dark. I'm making mine a little bit darker. I'm just going to go around again just to not fix it, but make it darker. I really want it to stand out with the dark background that we're going to create today. I just don't want anyone to see my background. Oops, that's fine. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't want it to be perfect because this is an abstract way to, we're making a moon, but this is very abstract, very abstract. So this is very non-realistic, but I really wanted to get that sense of overlapping, which is space. And we're going to leave the middle white. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the tree. Now you're going to use a pencil. I'm not. it's better for me not to use a pencil when I draw my tree. You're going to use a pencil. What we're going to do to start the bottom, and we're going to draw 2 curved lines. And now at the bottom, we're going to make a wavy line. And then we're going to make 2 diagonal lines for the tree trunk. For one of the branches. And then for the other branch, we're going to make one that is 2 parallel lines, stopping there. So this is 2 wavy lines. And then we're going to make one that's skinny all the way at the top, go all the way at the bottom, and we're going to stop. And we're going to go up and down and up and down. Okay, now I'm going to make extra branches, so I'm going to make 1 extra branch and 2, and make 1 little branch down here, and make 1 extra branch on here. So you can put extra branches anywhere you want, or you can copy what I am doing, which is putting extra branches on the main branches to create more of a realistic type tree. Now this is a nighttime landscape, very nighttime landscape, and also this is also showing us value because the tree is dark. Now if you don't have black, you can use a brown, a gray, your pencil. You can create the tree by ending color in with your pencil. Okay, so I'm thinking, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 10. Please draw with the pencil first, then color it in with your marker colored pencil, crayon, and then you're gonna outline. So now that I'm done with the coloring, with the outline, I'm gonna start coloring. Using the black. Now I have a marker that's black, so I don't have to use my Sharpie. I can use the actual marker, which is fine. That's okay. As you notice that my marker is lighter shade than my than the Sharpie, and that's fine because you know what? Now it's giving me different values. So now that I'm coloring the rest of the tree with a lighter shade of black, it looks more like dark gray compared to the Sharpie. So that is the different value, which is absolutely fine with me. The whole tree needs to be outlined and colored. It doesn't matter if you're using brown. You can even use another shade of brown. You can use different shades of brown for the branches, and then the inside of the tree could be a darker brown. And if you don't have brown, you can use yellow. Actually, no, not yellow. Red would be nice. Red would look really nice with this project. Okay, and then outlining the snow. Now for the snow, you're not going to do anything with the snow because the snow is white, and we're going to leave the snow white. Now the whole background, I'm going to start color mixing. So I'm going to take a purple and a blue, And I'm going to start off with purple first, and I'm going to color the bottom. And please do not color with force. I kind of do want some of the white spots to be there. Like, I want it to still show white because we are going to color blend. So I'm going to teach you how to color blend. So this is also value that we are creating. So pick an area that is half. So estimate. Try to think, where can I add the purple? So that's perfect spot. Let's do this, and good. Doesn't have to be even, because when you, in the sky, when you see two colors, the sky is not even. The colors are not even, the colors are not the same, the colors change, and it's okay if we get it over there because we can make the line bigger. The colors change all the time, especially at night. The colors change. It goes from purple, sometimes it looks like it's pink outside, like a medium tone pink. There's also, sometimes you see some dark blues. Sometimes you see pure black. So if you want to, at the end, add some black, you can. Okay, so here is my purple. Now I'm going to add some blue. And see, I'm just going over the section, not everything that is purple, just the top part that is blue. Now, if you're having trouble and you do not want to start color blending, what you can do is use just blue or just purple. I'm okay with just doing that. But if you want to challenge yourself, you can use the purple and blue together, which is fine. I have no problem with that. Okay, so now, and I'm just going over, and now I'm gonna take my purple and go over that. So now that I'm taking taking the purple and going back up a little bit with the blue. I want to do the same over here. Yep, there we go. Got some blue. Now I'm going to take some other colors, meaning other shades of blue and purple. And I'm just going to go down, and this is a darker purple, and I'm just going to color blend all of this section here. I'll continue doing that as we going. Now, like I said, all you're just doing is taking the color and going on top and blending. Now I'm going to take the rest of my blue, take the rest of the blue, I'm going to take another blue, and just color the top. And that's all I'm going to do is color the top using this blue right here, and that is it. And that will be the end result. Here is the final project using the two cool colors, the black in the tree and the rainbow for the circle.